That was weird. It's never happened before. Let's see here. Okay guys, it is the next day. It is really windy outside right now, so excuse all the wind noise because I'm filming on my iPhone. So let me explain what happened yesterday. Okay, I filmed those little driving clips in the morning. Everything was fine. I went to work, took this car out after work, and you know, I wanted to drive it just because today is Thanksgiving. It is the 28th, and my tag expired yesterday at midnight. So basically, I went to Dutch Bros. I was chilling with my friends, and I guess I left my door. I shut it. I kept it like that, right? It's not shut. That's shut. I'm sorry. That's shut. Okay, so I have two little interior lights in this thing that right here and here, they stay on if the door's open. I turn that off now, of course. But I thought it was nice, you know, just to have little lights because this thing's really dark at night and you can't see shit. So, I left the door open, went to go start my car, battery's dead. I'm like, okay. So I jumped it. I tried to put my friend's cables on my battery. My battery's in the trunk. Let it sit there for like 15 minutes. Nothing. No power. I'm like, okay, what's going on? So I'm like, wait a second, it's a manual. Why don't we just pop start it? So I had my friend help me. Shout out to you, Angel. You're a real savior here. He pushed my car. I kept it in first gear, dumped the clutch, turned the key, started right up, drove it home. All right. Now this morning I tried to start it up. Didn't turn on, obviously. So I think I just need a new battery. I can't drive the thing anyways because the tag's expired. Luckily I have the Civic over there, but man, that thing was, whoo, that was a little headache last night. But today I just wanted to figure out what's going on with the brake line. I want to take this wheel off, and I know it's this brake line because it's always leaky under here somewhere, and I can't really see where. Okay, there's a big ass puddle right there. Oh, you see all that? That's brake fluid. Haha. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna take that off, see where it's leaking from. Maybe I can patch it, maybe not. Maybe I just need to get new brake lines, but I'll catch up with you guys when I take that wheel off. Just got back. I couldn't do the wheel because it started to rain, and then I went inside and I was just talking to my family and everything like that, since, you know, it is Thanksgiving today. But instead of doing the wheel today, I can't drive it anyway, so I want to take out the seats, just make this thing pretty clean. I just want to take them out. There's only one bolt here. There's a total of 4 bolts, so I could just take these out, shampoo them, clean them up, and then just put them back in. All right, guys, we're back to using this little flashlight here. I ended up getting the first seat out. It's dirtier than I thought. Well, I actually pretty much cleaned up a lot of it for the most part. Just obviously that stuff right there I couldn't get to. So I'm just gonna vacuum all of this out, shampoo it, just make it super clean. Just touch up all the little spots that I really couldn't get with the seat in it. Clean the seat itself because the thing is really filthy. But first I'm gonna take out the other passenger seat before I even vacuum it or anything like that. So I'll catch up with you guys when the passenger seat's out. All right, well, I got both the seats out, and the rain literally will not go away, but I got them both inside the garage here. Just these things are so dirty, like, oh my god, like, they're really bad. I'm just gonna clean these, try to vacuum out the car if it stops raining, and let's see where this goes. Okay, so far so good. I did one seat, and the cleaner works actually really well. I want to show you guys the results here. So that's the clean one, that's the dirty one. So as you can tell, there's a bunch of stains right here and everything like that. All the stains and everything are out of that one. And there's even a color difference. Well, that might be because it's a little wet, but it looks really good. This is taking so much longer than I was even hoping for. I was not anticipating it to take this long. So I'm still working on this one. I have not even touched that one. It's probably been an hour. Just an hour on this one seat, because the more and more I vacuum out the water and the cleaning product, the more sudsy it gets. And I just keep putting hot water on it, rubbing it, vacuuming it, scrubbing it, and then vacuuming it, and just repeating that. Like, I mean, it's looking way better compared to that one, but all this work is taking so long. But I'm getting there. I'm definitely getting there. I'll just update you guys when I'm done. Alright guys, this is going to be the end of the video. I know I didn't get too much done in this. I hope you enjoyed the driving aspect of it. I was kind of holding my phone in my left hand, so it was a little bit awkward there, but I did the best I could. The seats are out currently. They're drying right now. I did finish the shampoo. I'm just waiting for them to dry overnight. I did vacuum out the Miata fully under the seats and everything like that. I was going to shampoo the carpets in there, but I kind of got lazy and I went to Walmart. And worst idea ever. I mean, it's 9 o'clock right now, but there's already, you know, so many people there waiting in line for Black Friday. But I got some Ozium and I just sprayed it all in there, so it smells pretty good right now. But tomorrow morning I will check up on the seats. I'll probably film that for a different video. If you did like the video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching till the end. And if you haven't already, our merch has dropped on our website, so be sure to go check that out. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next one.